So, would you like to share some experience with our audience?
Please check this store out, yeah. They're actually providing a smartwatch and an earpod, like literally.
And even bag also. That this bag is also
Yeah,
yours.
this bag also. Please check it out. Good evening.
Good evening, Bhaiya. Boli.
Actually, I wanted nothing phone. Nothing phone 1.
Nothing phone.
256.
Two. Which color, sir?
Black.
Black. 1 second. Nothing. This is the device. So, how you got our location, sir?
Actually, my friend said that Moment Enterprise is really good. They give affordable prices, and they actually have some nice reviews on Google.
Yes, sir.
So I thought let's visit once, and I really had a very good experience too. Yeah,
Okay. So, you planned this device. This is a really wonderful device.
yeah,
So, and this is also very unique device.
yeah. I know.
So let's unbox it, sir. So I'll just cut this upper cover. Then I'll let you unbox this premium device, sir.
So nice of you.
Thank you. So this is a very unique style of unboxing a smartphone. And,
Yeah, actually, I saw this for the first time.
okay. And I'll request you to unbox this and have a wonderful feeling of unboxing this device, sir.
Okay.
You just pull that.
Right.
Yeah, that's great. Very powerful, sir.
Yeah, actually.
So this is your device, sir. Just pull it out.
So cute.
I would also like to show you the SIM ejector.
Okay.
The SIM ejector is also a very unique thing in this device. You can see this.
Oh my
This is the SIM
god.
ejector.
Like they really have some premium SIM tool
Yeah, you
ejectors.
can check it out. So let's see the device, sir.
Okay. So will you do it for me?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'll request you to unpack this and show us. You have to pull this out. How's the look, sir? Did you like it?
Like I loved it. I actually loved it.
Okay. So our offer is going on. This is a double Dhamaka offer.
Okay.
And in this, we are providing a coupon to each and every customers. In this offer, you will get two offers. Like you will get a scratch card.
Okay.
You will scratch this, and you will get an assured gift
Okay.
right now. And
Right now, right?
Right now, I'll
Okay.
give you the gift, whatever it comes, like iPhone 13, AirPods, smartwatch, everything is there.
Okay.
So whatever comes, I'll give you right now. And after that, you will keep this coupon with you. After this Diwali, a lucky draw will go on.
Yeah.
And in that lucky draw, first prize is BAJAJ bike,
Oh my god.
and you can also get washing machine, smart TV, and many more things are there.
Okay.
So I'll request you to choose a coupon number.
Okay.
And we'll just scratch it out right now. So I'll keep this device.
Really tricky thing, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll choose this one.
This one, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you this. So this is your coupon. Best of luck, sir.
Wish me luck.
Let's see an iPhone.
Okay.
It's Moment Magic Bag.
Okay, a magic bag. Nice.
So you have got a Moment Magic Bag.
Okay.
And this is a very unique thing that we give. So I'll give this to you also. This is a Moment Magic Bag. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
And why we call this a magic bag? The reason is there are many magic inside this bag. So I'll request you to open the bag and put your hand inside it. And bring out the magics from this bag, sir.
Oh my god. Now what's
there,
this?
sir? Smartwatch, sir. Congratulations.
Oh my god.
So let's try once more. Is there anything else? Let's check it out, sir. Is there any magic left?
Okay, let me check in front.
Okay, I'll keep this inside.
Yeah. Oh
What's
my
that,
god.
sir? Earpods.
Oh my god. Like,
So how
for
are you
real.
feeling right now, sir?
Like wonderful experience.
So would you like to share some experience with our audience, sir?
Please check this store out, yeah. They're actually providing a smartwatch and an earpod. Like literally.
And even bag also, sir. This bag is also
Yeah,
yours.
this bag also. Please check it out.
Okay, sir. So the offer is not over yet.
Okay.
The Diwali is coming, so
Yeah.
I'll also give you this moment magic diya.
So nice of
You
you.
use this diya on Diwali day. You just pour water on this, and the light will bring up.
Like it's
This is
the
the
sensor
magic.
one.
Yes,
Sensor one.
magic diya, moments magic diya. So guys, you can see sir has taken nothing phone one, and sir take this.
Yeah.
And sir has got a magic bag. If you haven't come in yet, please visit Moment Enterprise. The location is Shibmandir, Siliguri, and you can call us at 98325 29165. Thank you.